Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the stock of Pasithea Therapeutics. Now you can see we have very less movers in the current market scenario, and wherever the stock moves, the stocks are moves beyond normal, where it is not 5, 10 or 15, 20, in some cases 30, 40%, but it is now 70, 80, 100%, 150, 150%. So these kind of moves are quite visible, and if you can see the chart, you will see the stock is trading now at its, I think, a month high or 6-month high. Now we don't have any further news or any further fundamentals or price related information over here, so let's go and see what's moving or what's causing this big move. Now you can see Pasithea Therapeutics skyrocketed on nasal spray approval. So the company, after announcing that its subsidiary Pasithea Clinics has been approved to provide esketamine nasal spray for treatment-resistant depression in adults, and the stock went up by more than 220%. So it is not 150%, but in the intraday session it moved up by more than 200%. And the biotech firm, which focuses on treatment of psychiatric and neurological disorder, said it has started offering the treatment of its Knightsbridge, London location, becoming only one of the 3 clinics in the UK approved to provide the treatment. So this is the news. I think if I check another one, you will see the same kind of move, that this is the same kind of news, so approval. So let's go and see what's happening as far as the chart is concerned and what the chart is saying over here. So now this is the price chart what we have in front of us. So we hardly have any price information if you are looking at this particular chart. So let's see what we can do with this chart, because we don't have prior information, or we don't have much data on this chart which will help us to talk about the price movement going forward. But as you can see, this is very clear that the stock has made this big gap, the highlighted section. So the level which you need to take care of is 3.99 or $4. So if the stock in any case falls below this level, do not carry forward any position, because this is the level which one should adhere as your big support, as well as a stop loss. Now the current range we have here is this one. So the price movement has happened has started from $2.5, and it went up to a high of $8.5. But as you can see, you have a recent move that the stock made, and it has made a high of $3.99 or $4, and that's where our support, or I would say a stop loss for the time being, lies. And the current range we have here is in between $4 and $8.5, and only if the stock makes further move we can talk anything about it going forward. So for the time being, respect these 2 levels, and only if the stock made a move beyond $8.5, then only we can talk about it. For the time being, let it settle down, and if it further moves on the upside, let's say the second scenario is if it further moves beyond $8.5 in the single trading session as well, then we just simply we have actually, the stock has already made a breakout, and it has already crossed whatever it has to. So here in this scenario, 300% worth of move. So next time if the stock surpasses $8.5, so we can simply go for a big move of nearly $30 or $35 in the upcoming days and weeks, if there is a big move. Otherwise, this is just a number or for the time being, because the current range we have here is in between $4 and 8.56 on the upside. That's it. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.